This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marnie Weaver. This impeccably maintained and move-in ready home is nestled in the highly coveted Lucaya Lake Club Community in Riverview. Boasting an expansive floor plan, this 4-bedroom residence, enhanced with an additional office/den and formal dining room, offers both functionality and elegance. A long entryway that gracefully opens into a modern kitchen and living area. Gourmet kitchen features a large center island with seating, abundant cabinetry, a double oven, gas cooktop and brand new Bosch dishwasher. Spacious living area is complete, engineered wood flooring and sliding glass doors leading out to a fully fenced backyard. Primary suite is generously sized, 14 by 20, with bump out for added space, dual sinks, garden bath and separate shower. Additional bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the home for privacy, along with a full bath and a convenient laundry room. Upgrades include fresh exterior paint, August 2024, whole house gutters, tankless water heater, hurricane shutters, crow molding throughout the majority of the home. Enjoy the resort-style amenities including a pool with lap lanes and splash pad, 24-hour fitness center, walking trails, and access to 78-acre lake for water activities. Ideally situated near top-rated schools, shopping, dining, I-75, with easy access to downtown Tampa, Tampa International Airport and MacDill AFB. Embrace the luxurious lifestyle offered by this premier location and schedule your showing today. For more information, review